20. Keeping myself safe. Affirmations. I choose to feel safe. I choose to feel secure. At all times, I am secure and safe. I have myself and I protect myself from harm. My home is safe and protected. My family is safe and protected. I find safety in my inner self. I am divinely protected. I am surrounded by safety and security. I deserve to always feel safe and secure. This world is my safe place. The people in my life support and love me, making me feel safe. I live my life exuberantly and in love. All is well within my life and my world. I trust that everything will work out for my highest good. My emotions are protected. I feel safe. I am protected. My spirit is protected. I feel safe. I am protected. My body is protected. I feel safe. I am protected. My mind is protected. I feel safe. I am protected. I am where I belong and I am safe, loved, and protected. I set personal boundaries that keep safe and protected.